Hey guys, I'm just showing you my chickens. So I have two sets right now. This one is 60 chickens. Just got them in the brooding state. So when them get bigger, I'll extend it. And over on here right, I have 25. I'm going to extend them now because I'm getting a bit big and the space getting smaller, so I'm going to extend so they have more space. But this one is 25. See them there? This one bigger. I get this set before this set, so this set smaller. This set are the newer set and this set is the older set. So you see them bigger. So this one is 25 and the one I show you before is 60. So see them there? Them belly kind of full, so they don't really eat much because them get feed 2 times a day. Feed and water 2 times a day. And if you see some little white thing in them water, it's garlic. I always give them garlic. Not every day or every time, but I give them garlic 1 and 2 times. It's good antibiotic for the chicken. And it's also good for you as well. So garlic is a good antibiotic. It has a lot of substance to help your body strive and so forth. So I give them garlic. I also have booster for them and molasses. So I give it turn. When them get bigger, I'll give them the molasses. So there you go, my beautiful chicken. There you go. Guys, if you see them feather kinda curly, them wet up themselves. So I just change out the newspaper and give them fresh newspaper. So when them get a bit bigger, I'll remove the newspaper and extend their space. See them there? Them belly full, them don't hungry, so them lay down. Who not play, lay down asleep. So yeah guys, these are my chicken. Okay guys, bye.